Okay, we have a Sprinter, Mercedes Sprinter. This van it's no star. Okay, you see, no stars. Okay, so most of the reason why the truck no star, it's the DF line that goes to the DF injector broke and lose the whole DF fluid. So they towing because the van not gonna start. It's on D rate and the computer is a lag, so they don't let you to start the van. So we come and we gotta hook the computer to reset the memory and be able to start. If we don't reset, we're not gonna be able to start. So let's see. Okay, so right here, abort. We're gonna go down. Okay, it's taking yes. Yes. Let's connect to the computer. I'm gonna give you a little bit chance to connect to the computer. So right now I'm gonna show you it's a Mercedes as a Sprinter. They call it Sprinter Mercedes, but that's a diesel engine. Okay, so let's reset so we can be able to start the van. It's on, let's see, it's a Transporter B class. We go down, wait. So the software is DAS Sprinter, yes. 906, yes, yes. Initial in communication, so we just communicate with the vehicle. Okay. Okay, so without light you'll be able to see it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so now we got automatic 6.6, 15, yes. Let's see. Okay, so pops the mileage and pops the big number, so yes. Say you want to change it? No, I don't want to change the mileage. Quick test, yes. Let's do a quick test. She's gonna do a quick test. Okay, it's going to connect electric control unit switch. Okay, so we connect to the module. Okay, on the ECM, like the control module, we got a code right there. I gotta get in. Me, I like to get in and I take a picture. What codes we have? Let's see to the ECM. What codes we have? See. Okay, yes I have. Okay, sorry. Now it's, let's go to fault. Let's go right here. Okay, so now we got the codes right here, you see. We got to hold that blue the number of possible engine start. The engine cannot start, blocking. No can communication with unit, knock sensor, downstream, combination down, knock sensor, upstream, component the fuel pump, fuel tank side circuit ground, control, canvas. Okay. So what really happened in this van, it's the muffler broke. So the customer didn't know. He was driving. so much heat was coming out for that hole that muffler broke the lines, broke the DF injector and everything. So the mechanics, they fix it, but they don't have access to reset the whole module. So that's why we have all these codes, but all of them are, most of them are stored. You see, this one is stored, fuel pump, sensor circuit, current. Okay, this one, CAN communication. Okay, so all of them are stored, most of them. This one I don't worry about that. I don't worry about that. So let's go to that blue. So see what code we have on that blue. Where is electric control? Where is blue? Has to be a blue. I don't see. Control the steering, tire, electric control, sound. That's weird. This one doesn't show you that blue, the other motion. Okay, so didn't have it. So let's go to common. Okay, so let's go to the ECM. I'm gonna reset. This one is Mercedes. I forgot. The other one it's a Sprinters. So the Sprinter has the other modules, so you can read the codes on that blue. On this one, let's see. Okay, so estamos aquí. Okay, we just see all the codes right here on the start. So let's see. Let's reset this one. Okay, initial. Erase it. Initial off. So now let's go with reset. So actuation. No, we just gotta go to adaptation. You see, now we gotta do erase. We're just gonna do a SCR reset now. This time we're gonna do SCR. Okay, we gotta go ECM. We get into ECM. We gotta wait. We gotta get into ECM. There's ECM. So we get in. Then we're gonna go to adaptations. Adaptation. Then we gotta go to actual. Right there. No, sorry. Where is control unit adaptation? Yes. Then we gotta go. You see, reset warning message. Reset. Press it, and it's gonna start reset. Okay, so adaptation, let me reset. Gotta go down, back. We gotta go back, hold. Okay, we gotta see all the codes right here. Here CAN communication, overload plug. Now we gotta do is restart. Switch off. Switch on. Okay, now the one should start. Okay, let's see. Okay, now it starts. Okay, see you next video.